Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix there was a problem while parsing the package issue on any Poco phone. Now to fix this issue, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on Play Protect. Now from here, tap on Settings. Now from here, just disable this feature. Now from here, tap on Turn Off. Now just enter your screen lock. Now from here, tap on Enter. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app. Now from here, just search Install Unknown Apps. Now from here, tap on Install Unknown Apps. Now from here, tap on Install Unknown Apps. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Google Chrome. Now from here, make sure you enable this feature. Now from here, just tap on I am aware of the possible risks. Now from here, just wait a few seconds and then tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app. Now from here, tap on About Phone. Now from here, just tap on the OS name. Now from here, just check if your smartphone has a software update available. If your smartphone has a software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Now in our case, our smartphone software is up to date. Now once we have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just press and hold on the power button to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, just swipe down to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for your smartphone to reboot. Now from here, once your smartphone finishes rebooting, just open your smartphone. Now from here, just try to download the app from your Google Chrome. Now if your problem is still not fixed, just go to the Play Store. Now from here, just search Z-Archive. Now from here, just download this app. Now as you can see, I have already installed this app on my smartphone. Now if you have not installed it yet on your smartphone, just tap on Install. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, just give this app these permissions. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on Search. Now from here, just search the name of the application which you have problem downloading. Now from here, tap on Done. Now from here, scroll down. Now just tap on your application and tap on Install. Now from here, tap on Update. Now from here, tap on Open. And this is how you can fix there was a problem while parsing the package issue on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.